Do this urgently in August. You can extend your vegetable harvest by up to 3 weeks. Your plants will keep producing until fall, and it only takes 2 simple kitchen ingredients. In a small bowl, pour in 7 ounces of cold water. This will be the base of the mix. Now add honey. It's not just a natural sweetener, it's packed with nutrients that help plants too. It supports beneficial soil microbes and boosts plant immunity. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and stir until fully dissolved. The next ingredient is baking soda. It acts as a natural pH balancer and helps fight fungi and bacteria. In the right amount, it also encourages strong root growth. Add a pinch of baking soda and mix again. In a larger bowl, pour in about 1 quart of water. Add the honey and soda mixture and stir gently. Use this natural fertilizer to water your tomatoes, cucumbers, and peppers. The best time is once a week in the morning, before the sun gets too hot. This mix promotes blooming, strengthens roots, and can extend the fruiting period by several weeks. Your plants will be stronger and produce more. Don't wait. August is your last chance to give your vegetables a natural boost before fall. Hang cinnamon on a tree branch. You'll quickly thank me for this trick. It's a simple yet highly effective method. But before you do, prepare the cinnamon. Break a cinnamon stick into smaller pieces and put them into a grinder. Blend into a fine powder. Cinnamon has strong antibacterial and antifungal properties and has been used for centuries as a natural repellent. Pour about 10 fluid ounces of hot water into a tall container. Add the ground cinnamon and mix well. Now add 1 tablespoon of dried lavender. Its intense scent is relaxing and soothing for people, but also acts as a repellent. After mixing, let the mixture sit for 1 hour. Then strain it through a sieve. Pour the liquid into a spray bottle. Use this spray on all the places where unwanted guests appear in your garden. But that's not all. Take a piece of cinnamon bark and thread a string through it. Tie the ends tightly so it holds well. Hang it on a tree branch or another spot. This method also repels flies and mosquitoes. Plus, your garden will smell wonderful. Try it yourself and feel the clear difference. Put this into a molehill, and the pest will be gone faster than it showed up. If you're dealing with this problem, you've got to try this simple and budget-friendly trick. Start by pouring 10 ounces of whey into a glass container. Whey is a natural byproduct of curdled milk and has a sour smell that contains bacteria moles find extremely off-putting. Next, add about 3 ounces of buttermilk, which irritates the mole's sense of smell, and its fermented scent enhances the repelling effect. To boost the mix, add a spice you definitely have at home, ground black pepper. Its sharp aroma irritates the mole's nose. Add 1 teaspoon of it to the mixture. Then, add a few drops of castor oil, known for its strong, unpleasant scent. Stir everything well. Soak a regular cotton pad in the mixture and place it directly into the molehill. The cotton pad acts as a scent carrier, helping the intense smells spread and effectively scare the moles away. This will make them leave your garden quickly. Try this natural remedy and enjoy a pest-free garden. Just a few drops are enough to make tomatoes healthy and strong. The fruits will be bigger and more flavorful than ever. The first ingredient is eggshells. They contain calcium, magnesium, and micronutrients that strengthen the root system and protect against diseases. Grind the shells into a fine powder. The finer it is, the faster it will dissolve. Pour about 2 cups of water into a tall container. Add the ground shells and stir well. The next ingredient is a banana peel. Banana peels are rich in potassium and phosphorus, which affect the size, flavor, and ripening of the fruits. Cut 1 peel into smaller pieces and add it to the container. Now it's time for nettle. It strengthens plants and repels pests. It's also rich in nitrogen, iron, and silica, which boost plant resistance. Add 2 teaspoons. Mix everything well and let it sit for at least an hour. After that, strain the mixture through a strainer lined with gauze to remove the solids. Pour the liquid into a bottle. Add the prepared fertilizer concentrate to a bucket of water and mix well. Water the tomatoes once a week. You can also use it for cucumbers or peppers. Your plants will grow like crazy. You won't be able to keep up with the harvest. A friendly gardener shared the secret to fertilizing cucumbers with me. Since then, I've been collecting full buckets. The harvest is large, and the cucumbers are juicy and full of flavor. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to a larger bowl. It acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil and improves nutrient absorption. The next ingredient is dry yeast. Yeast is a source of vitamins for plants, stimulating the growth of beneficial microorganisms in the soil, which supports plant growth. Add 2 tablespoons. Wood ash is also very important. It contains potassium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are essential for flowering and fruiting. Additionally, it helps neutralize the soil. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix the dry ingredients. Then, pour in about 7 ounces of lukewarm water and mix well. Let it sit for 2 hours to activate the ingredients. After that, prepare a 10-gallon bucket of water. Pour in the mixture you've prepared and stir. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once a week, preferably in the evening, around the base of the plants. The cucumbers will grow faster and be more resistant to diseases. From one bed, you'll collect so many that you'll be giving whole bags to your neighbors. Just 1 tablespoon of this, and your plants will grow and bloom 5 times faster. The flowers will be so lush, their stems will bend under the weight. You won't be able to keep up with the vegetable harvest. And the best part? You already have all the ingredients at home. The first ingredient is oats. They're full of essential micronutrients like phosphorus, iron, and magnesium. These support healthy growth and boost plant immunity. Put 1 tablespoon of oats into a blender. Grind them into a fine powder. This helps release nutrients faster. Then, take a larger container and pour in about 1 quart of clean water. Add 1 tablespoon of the ground oats and mix well. Let the mixture sit for an hour. During that time, the oats will release all their goodness. After an hour, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a clear liquid. Your homemade eco-friendly fertilizer is ready. Water all your garden flowers and vegetables with it. You'll see a difference in just a few days. The plants will be strong and resilient. The harvest will be 5 times bigger. Use this oat fertilizer once a week for best results. All you need is to water your peppers with this solution once, and they'll grow like crazy. This simple fertilizer will provide the plant with all the essential nutrients, and you'll see the results in no time. Prepare a quart jar and pour in 17 ounces of warm water, but not hot. Add 1 tablespoon of dried yeast. Thanks to its vitamins and minerals, yeast helps the plant's health, accelerating their growth. Stir the water. Sugar provides energy to the plants, supporting metabolic processes and photosynthesis. It will act as an activator, stimulating the plants to grow faster and be healthier. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir, close the jar, and set it in a warm, dark place for 2 hours. After that, prepare a larger bucket with warm water. Pour in the yeast solution and mix everything together. You'll get a concentrated fertilizer for watering. This solution will be enough for watering 10 plants, 1 liter for each. You'll provide the peppers with all the nutrients they need and stimulate them to grow. Use the fertilizer daily if needed. They'll fruit like never before.